My long-term career aspirations are to become a healthcare executive, whether that's a COO or a CEO. The MSHM program has really prepared me to work my way up the ladder until I reach that goal. One big factor for me in thinking about going to grad school was what kind of change could I make career-wise. Before coming into the program, I spent about 8 years in logistics and manufacturing. In a year's time, the MSHM program really armed me with the 6 healthcare competencies that I needed to be able to go from having no healthcare experience to jumping into a healthcare role and being able to thrive. Being a joint program between Kelley and O'Neill, some key things that I took away were being creative, being innovative, and we always talked about being transformational healthcare leaders, and that's what I'm trying to take and instill into my current position. Where I am at IU Health, they really place a lot of value on you and what you bring to the table. So I just really wanted to make sure I could be an asset to team members, to patients if I ever had to come across any. And I give all thanks to the MSHM program for really arming me with those tools.